So, here I am in Gold Bar, Washington. I've been here a couple times, I think, but mostly just driven through. Never been on really any hikes around this area, but this is such a rich area for hikes. And I had a longer weekend, so I was like, why not come to this side of the water and check out some of these hikes? Today, I got recommended Wallace Falls, and so that's what I'm gonna do. And I think there's a few waterfalls in this trail, and so I'm hoping to check out as many as I can. So, yeah, should be fun. I don't think I recall any videos I've done over here in like the northern Cascades. I've always just kind of hung around where I usually hike, is around my hometown, typically in the Olympic National Park, maybe extending a little bit further either way. But yeah, I might need to come back here a little bit more because it's only a few hours drive. It's not that much. So you might see a bit of a theme this year. You know, it's kind of funny. I knew this was going to be a little bit of a longer hike, so I bought some food specifically for this hike, and I forgot it. I forgot it all. But you know what I didn't forget? All my camera gear. Of course, I got all of that. The necessities, I guess. Curious how much more hiking I've been doing, trying to get a lot of these camera shots where I'm going back and forth to get the camera. I've actually been making this trail look quite low populated. There's actually a lot of people on this trail, and I've just been trying to shoot this video to where it looks like it's just me in the woods. I'm actually hiking to Upper Wallace Falls right now, and it looks like there's gonna be a lot less people actually, so that's kind of nice. That was really cool. I made it up to the last falls, Upper Wallace Falls. You might be wondering, Shawn, why are you going up more? Well, the gentleman just told me that there is a better viewpoint a little higher up, so I'm just gonna keep going up until I find a nice spot to rest. So yeah, let's keep going. I think that's about as much elevation as I want to get. My legs are pretty dang tired, and I'm hungry. Got some cool views, and I'm about done. I'm ready for some food.